Hello friends, my today's tutorial how to install WordPress manually by using step-by-step procedure. And domain name, I'm going to install WordPress on this domain. Okay, let's go. Now here I just simply download WordPress. Now what I will do, I will go to my cPanel. This is my cPanel. Come to this domain, just copy and paste it, and on the document root I just paste here. Now add domain. Now go back. Okay, I just reload, and here just check free class forwarder space. This is the directory. This is the domain I will install. Okay, now just click on that. Okay, now what will the next procedure? I will create the database. Free class for you. Create database. Okay, password, we can password generator option is available there. I just click on that. Now it's the time to copy the password. Okay, I just keep it handy on the notepad. Okay, now I have copied this password in the same place. Use this password. Okay, create a username. Now what I will do, now I just link the database to username. Okay, add so user, this is the user and this is the database. Okay, I just add. Now it's the time to copy all these things like user and database. Previously I have already copied the password. Now I have already copied the user and the database. Now it's just click on that and make changes. Here it is asking we have upload. Select the file. Here is the WordPress setup. Go back. Now extract. Now reload once again. Here I am getting the WordPress setup. Okay, just click on that. Simply select on and move. You just follow what I am doing. What's the step-by-step procedure I am just following. Okay, okay, the directory is empty right now. Back, we can just simply just rename. Okay, just edit that file, database password. Okay, simply I put there. Now username, this is the username. I will find where the username, this one. Simply replace and place the username and database name. This is the database name. This is the database name. Okay, simply save changes. Open that domain. Simple and easy process. I will select the English language. Okay, press. Now it's the time to login. Login. Boom. Okay, this is the complete tutorial, so visit. Okay, thank you.